Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you my opinion on gold and why you should be careful, okay, with gold investments right now. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram, Twitter, okay, on YouTube saying they have been buying gold very recently, okay. Now I've been in the gold industry as an investment for almost a decade, okay, and I understand the price action. So I can show you the price action right now on tradingview.com. And this is the monthly view, okay? So this is gold. The price for gold for in US dollar per ounce. So as you can see, the price of gold right now is extremely overextended, is at a major resistance level, which is the 5,000 area, okay? And as you can see, over the past few decades, gold has been moving in cycles. So it's been moving all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, and again all the way up, and I expect this to go all the way down again. Now, gold doesn't generally go to previous levels. Like, I wouldn't expect gold to go all the way down here to the 1000, okay? But I expect gold to drop at least the same amount they dropped previously. So let's have a look very quickly. From the top to the lowest, it dropped 43% approximately. So I will expect gold to drop at least 40%. So I'm waiting now. I sold all my gold in this area, okay, in the 5,000 area, because I knew that it's a very large psychological price point where people would basically sell. So I'm waiting now. I sold all my gold and I'm waiting gold to drop around this level. Worst case scenario in this level, okay, in the 3,000 area, which I don't think will happen, but you never know. So I'm holding cash, okay, and I'm waiting to drop into this area, and I'm going to buy as much as I can because my investments are over the long term, 10 years plus. So I am bullish on gold long term. I'm not bullish on gold short term. Now, it might go a little bit higher because of the Middle East crisis, we'll never know, but eventually it will go back down as it always did. Nothing moves straight parabolic forever. What comes up must go back down, even if it doesn't go back down to zero, like many people think, like it happens with many meme coins or altcoins. Gold is a serious investment. Gold goes up and goes down, it moves in cycles, okay? So this is my personal opinion, not financial advice. Many people, they don't know how to look at the charts, they don't know how to look at the price action. Maybe they're new to this kind of investment, so what they do is they just buy randomly. You know, a lot of people are queuing up in gold bullion stores, and they just buy these levels, which is pure insanity, I think. So the best way to maximize your investment is to buy during the dips. And by dips, I don't mean a dip of 5%. I mean a dip of 20 to 30%, okay? Sometimes even 40%, as we've seen with gold. Now, why I say this? Because if you bought at the top, let's say you bought here during the 80s, how long would you need to wait to make a gain? You basically will have to wait, okay, 30 years. You waited 30 years to make some gain. That doesn't keep up with inflation. You basically lost money, okay, if you sold in this area. Obviously, if you sold in this area, maybe you will have made a little bit of money or be on the same level as inflation. So if you bought here instead, you will have made more money, okay? So you want to buy when price is low, when no one talks about gold, okay? Same applies for Bitcoin. Same applies for the S&P 500. Same apply for some stocks, okay? Not all the stocks, some stocks. So I'm gonna make a separate video for each asset class. I'm gonna make a separate video for Bitcoin later on. The price action, what I think, it's the best way to invest in. Also S&P 500. And also I made another video related to defense stock. You can have a look at that. Why I am all in on defense stocks right now. I'm sitting in cash and I only have defense stocks, so these two, and some Bitcoin right now. And I'm waiting for the drops, okay? I'm waiting for S&P 500, gold, silver, and some stocks like Tesla, NVDA, etc. to drop.